Knocking back.
First charge is coming.
Shockwave.
I didn't get it. She didn't charge on me.
I cleared it off you.
Oh my god, Ali.
I didn't get the knockback that you get from the charge.
You got the debuff.
Knocking back.
I didn't get the damage. He's at 60.
Shockwave.
You can stop damage. We've got 5 seconds until charge. Just totally chill here.
Stop. Stop completely.
Push in 2, 1, push.
Booster Bob Day.
No, the
No. You can Bob tell us, Gustav.
Target you.
Charges.
Shockwave.
Can you block it, Neref?
I never Bob tell us, so I have mine left.
yeah,
There's
there's
no
a few
few
big.
Knocking
And-
back. Shockwave. AOE incoming.
Darfel, it's on you. You're there. Wait for a second.
On 3, 2, 1.
DPS it.
Next boss is coming down.
Watch your
Faye and Minge, you're next on dispels in 10 seconds. Spell now. And we're baiting breath and we go to the ads when they're up.
incoming.
Go to the ads.
Watch your step.
And we go mid. Silver, Bosco, Lushy, 10 seconds.
AOE incoming.
Spell in 3, 2, 1. Kill the ads.
On the ads.
Roll, Lebronze, McLaren, and Lushy. 15 seconds for dispel.
Watch your step.
This is the overlap with the breath. Dispel in 3, 2, 1. Dispel. Bait breath in mid. And we go to ads in 3, 2, go ads.
Range try to get the one in the middle, because it's weird.
Go mid. Pierre, Alex, Zarfel, Silver, 5 seconds.
After me.
Spell 3, 2, 1, spell.
Stop on them. Ball it in the wall, careful.
Roll,
No.
Queen. Do it for practice. Roll, Queen, and Lushy, you're next with the spells. In 3, 2, 1. Spell now.
Target you.
Bait mid for the breath.
Breath incoming.
Go to ads. Go mid.
Play Mazura, make sure you're on our side.
Bosco, Neref, Minge, Silver. Go there now.
I need
Spend
heal.
3, 2, 1 dispel. Kill the
Up on
ads.
the ads.
All the priests, you've got the debuff. Spell in 3, 2, 1. Dispel. Bait mid.
Target you.
Ball.
All on ads. Bait mid.
Incoming.
Go to ads. Go to ads. Go mid.
Be careful with the boss and the ball. Perfect.
Lebronze, Neref, Minge, Tommy, McLaren. Dispel in 3, 2, 1, dispel.
Azura, careful. Stop hitting the orb. Add. Everyone on the add. Everyone on the add. Can we bring the boss closer?
Kick the ball. Watch that ball.
Add guide.
Wayne. Vorps, Zafel, Lushy.
You can bring the boss
Dispel.
closer to red.
3, 2, 1, dispel.
Everyone on the add.
Bait mid, bait mid, bait mid,
Ball's coming towards boss.
bait mid.
One heal.
Bait mid. Go to ads. Use any personals, any health stones to survive. Go mid, go mid. Do not let the balls touch.
Let the ball
Keep the boss where he is. Keep the boss where he is. Absolutely fucking blast.
Dispelling 4. Dispel, cast that
Spell now.
die. And just blast the boss. Leave the thing cast.
Get those
GG
balls
boys.
away, get those balls away.
GG boys. Kill a boss.
Super clean, boys. Woo!
I played so bad in that as well.